Mrs. Konian Talanya Matnaya Jimenez Jr., also known as Mrs. Konian Talanya Matnaya, Quezon First. Currently, this is my writing. Ta-da! I will write now. Relative. At the moment, they not want me to talk. I am writing family and family relative. Me and Alex Jr. While I am thinking, I am as well imagining of what is uh, the about of in here. So while I am thinking, there is person that is talking on my ear, of which is bad person, and then that bad person is just ruining. They tends to ruin my wedding. That is why this is what they're doing. Oh, I wish talaga karma is on body movement. Seryosong seryoso, 100% seriousness. I wish karma is on a body movement. Please naman because my situation is truthfulness being killed. Family and family relative. The next is invited. Family and family invited. Mm. The next is Alex Jr. ko says during this month, last month, March, he is saying about if me and him will be on a wedding ceremony. Other person is but that is what I say is truthfulness. What Alex and Clementisa Jr. ko is saying, if me and him is on a wedding ceremony, at it is important of me and what is being says previous year March, previous month March is such this. Kapag kinasal tayo, kahit sino na lang yung pupunta, wag na yung ibang Why do I feel that there is on the right eye copying me? I not know. And then what it is being shown my right eye is the kabit number 2. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. I am not kabit. Ang landing babae, yung kadiri na tao. Lover ko, Alex ko, alam ko ni Ann. Next. After the relative, next is flower girl. Okay. Nino. Iyo, nakakailangan sa buhay. The next is yak, akin lang, akin. Gold digger yung bubong camouflage. They even pertains on my writing about lapis. Pencil it is. That is how they is supervert. They is putting a vibes on myself of such as not successful on life. My God, the bobo camouflage is so kadiri. And then myself is being put on such as ill. Myself is not ill. I am college degree graduate. Hindi, no. Bridesmaid. Ang konti na nilagay ko. Yakin lang Alex ko. Bridesmaid. At the moment, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is getting my business plan. Akin lang akin. They is preparing of such as creation of situation so that myself is on hurting na naman because my notebook is will such this will on another notebook already because it is near on to consume the notebook. The bobo the Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri does not stop. Please help me. That person is kabit. The criminal is talking of saying that is, sabi niya, nakananditiri talaga ako to say of what is they say. Nakakadiri. That person talking on my ear says, letter P, letter A, letter L, letter I, letter T. Akin lang, Alex ko. Kabit is kabit. Justified me. Yeah. Ayun lang, Alex ko. Now we're going. They is putting chest pain on myself. Please help me. I not do anything wrong so that myself I'm not doing anything wrong for myself to have illness. They is uses black magic. They is killing me. Invited. Formation. Ew, ako ikakasal. Invite. Kasal kami ni Alex ko. Oh. Oh. That is the sound of Alex Jr. ko voice on my memory, panaginip. Oh. Something such that. Ah. Something such that. Ah. Dapat so, as well I say, oh, what is the voice on my panaginip? Kaya nga, April 1 today. Because my panaginip has sound, even the surroundings. That is why I am holding my panaginip. Why? Because my intelligence thinking process is someone tends to feel my feeling. I am here at Philippines. I not feel of the surroundings. That is why I am holding my panaginip. The person that talks on my ear is Precious Crucendico. They is stopping my panaginip. My panaginip is mine. And then on my mind, what I could think of is it is being interfere of the kabit. They tends to kills me. Why? Because I could feel the black magic. When I talk a while ago, myself is the person that on hurting. When it comes onto that, there is Richel Ang, Gementisa Senior. Timik ko, year 2022, year 2022, year 2023, whatever I say, that is only, that is why I need to say talaga, synchronous. Why? Black magic, they use. And then, they use Richel Angementisa Senior. And then, my mouth will talk about something saying on black magic such as, sana mawalan ka ng ugat sa katawan, parang ganon. After I say that, myself will be on calm. I don't know why. And then, I need to say talaga, the pagkakasunod-sunod. I am on September 2019. This is what the Kabit, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is afraid of when I talk on such a sequence from number one, from year 2017 onwards, because it is could be found of their angriness towards me, the killing portion. And then, this is what is happening, slapping my ear. I not know, I feel scared. Myself is on cryness because I slap my ear and then they use black magic. Wait, I'll just wait. I'll talk now. So year 2019 September, Andrea Faye is dead, meaning on casket. During that moment, July year 2019, that is 50-year-old of my mother, uh, my lola and then Tito Unag go at rental house. I am this one doing such this. Why? Because I will think it. Wait. I'm not artista. during July, what is being says is my cousin Andrea Faye has, I need to say that uh, that is happening during year 2019, which is on 7 year of Black Magic. And then what else it is? Oh, I will as well talk about the foreigner that is during year 22. During that moment, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is on looking, of which is that person does not want me to be rich. I not know why. Grabe. Grabe talaga. Seryosong seryoso ko. Nakakaloka na talaga yung ugali ng tao. Seryoso. Ang pangit ng ugali ng kadiri na tao. The attitude of that person is so illness. Does not know how to respect life of a person. Oh, what else when it comes on to, oh, natahimik ko. I will talk. So, when it comes on to Andrea Faye, September 2019 is being dead, being on casket, being on funeral, burial. And then, before that happens, month of July, birthday of my mother tends to be, my lola and Tito Unad go at rental house. Rental house is the house that my parent that I am a child is renting before we go in here that I not want in here. And then the next is during the year during July, month of July, myself not want to talk, I will talk month of July, excuse me, not want you. Month of July, uh, it says, Tito Unad says, Andrea Faye has dengue fever, fever and then dengue. So that is during September year 2019. I not know about it. I not think of that person, of that kid, my cousin. And then during year 2021, year 2022, oh, the right eye, oh, the thinking process of the right eye. I feel scared. My eye is on ache. The thinking process of my right eye is such as may tumutulong kay Connie. Parang ganun. Meaning to say, nalalaman na nila yung sitwasyon. Parang ganun. And then my what you call this, pelvic is on hurting on the right side. And then what is being shown, my right eye is baog, binabaog, sarili ko. When I say binabaog, they not want me to be pregnant. Aray ko, ang sakit. Is the right side ko. Right side hip is being on hurt. Fallopian tube that is. And then, year 2021, year 2022, year 2022, the mind of myself in here is color green, and then Iris Magallanes, and then Iris Shadow. They is putting me on blindness. I am pretty. Totoong pretty ako. And then, Tito Unad say on my right ear, buhay si Andeng. And then, what happened on the right eye is, such this on Tagalog, yung tito niya, nagsasalita sa tainga. Merong tumutulong ata. Something such that. I feel scared! I not know. When it comes to Andrea Faye, I feel nervous. In English, uh, her tito is on the right ear talking. Maybe he is helping Connie Ann, something such that. Maybe the tito is helping her, something such that. I'm Connie Ann. What else? No, Papa. Yun lang. Natawa siya. I'm not smiling. With the right eye. The person is doing such this. And then, wait lang. Mm, the first person that uh, noticed me, such as papansin, is Gemaline. Out of uh, I know thinking process of why papansin she is tends to be noticed. Just paying. And then Romeline as well, Mariano tends to binangga ako. I'm not thinking of her during third year high school. Who else? College. Uh, Vibes, American. None. Ang dami Amerika. Vibes it is. Vibes is such a singaw. Singaw, san hitness. And then, college degree. Myself is not being bully. And then, uh, reason why I am not friend of Cristel Salsalida is because of Jamaline. I now want to talk about them. Vibes it is. Angry vibes is never angry vibes. I will talk now. Wait lang. Mm, I not think of that person. Simon. What the? I talk now. I talk now. Why do I feel my head is shaking pa rin? I not know. I'll talk now. I'm not angry person. Where am I? I feel scared. Ew. I will talk now. Year 2019 na ako. Memory during year 2017 shows. That moment is Alex Jr. ko and then myself. Alex Jr. ko is brownish color and then straight hair and then Woo! Woo! Not macho! Payat! Payat. Such as on photo of Mary Joy Aguila and then him on bus. That is the uh, slim body of Alex ko during year 2017. The photo and then uh, on my mind, right eye. But Alex ko is left eye. Left eye is Alex ko wearing white and black stripe. And then on the right eye, wait lang. Nay. I will just calm myself. I never drink coffee. I just drink coffee ko year 2016. Only year 2016. And then my body movement tends to drink coffee. Year 2024. Coffee ko blanca is what I drink year 2016. I not know why. Myself during that moment, I am on year 2025 this year, and then during year 2016 myself is such this, from such that to such this on Coffee Ko Blanca. Kakasali to. I will talk now. Lover ko, Alex ko. So during year 2017, on my mind, me and Alex Jr. ko go at the house of Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez, and then uh, Alex Jr. ko says to her, nag-usap sila. They talks to each other. Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez and Alex Jr. ko. Hala. Oh! Ano ina-use black magic. I will talk now. Dito. Why Gemaline is that? What black magic. Ito. Uh, dito. On my right eye. Why? What is being says? Alex Jr. ko says, kasal kami. Girlfriend ko siya. And then, Ano bang problema? Bakit may away? Ano sabi niya? Girlfriend na ako ni Alex since high school. That is during year 2017 being says on Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez. And then Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez says, pinatulog niya ako. I suddenly sleep during that moment. Oh, ay. Oh, that is true. Myself is sleep on my bedroom. But I am with Alex Jr. ko on the house of Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez. I feel scared. And then, when I am awake, Alex Jr. ko is indoor. And then, lover ko Alex ko, evening duties. And then, sabi niya, ayan, alam na ng boyfriend mo, tatahimik ka na. Sabi niya. Ano ba sabi niya? Tatahimik ka na. Ano sabi niya? Nasa mabuti ka ng sitwasyon. Sabi niya. Why myself feels shocks. I not know. Hmm. Wait lang. City. City this is. Ano yung mga ganon? I not know. Uh, go away. Nervous. I feel shocks. At chest pain. I am the girlfriend of Alex ko since high school. English translation. Alex Jr. ko says, I am his girlfriend. Wife niya. I am the wife of him. And then, what is the problem? And then when it comes to Gemaline, the translation is, oh, the sabi niya, oh, that's it. You will be behave already. Something such that. Lover ako ni Alex. You, not want you. I not want you. Akin lang, akin. I will proceed on talking. What I think of is, what I know, this is hair. When it comes into black magic, kulam diri sa kulam budodal. Ay naon lang magic. I never touch black magic. Oh, Alex Jr. could say that, or Lloyd Dimson Salviejo. Hotel Transylvania is truth story, movie, the essence, concept. I am looking on the sky. Let us know sky. I feel nervous. And then, hindi kami black magic. I am not black magic. Married kami ni Alex. I will now proceed on year 2019. Will proceed now year 2019. Oh, September. Oh, it is good that I say this. September year 2019. So that is about when it comes, what I talked a while ago is year 2017. When it comes to Alex Junior ko and myself, and then Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez. Now I will talk about year 2019 September. Another flea on my nostril for the second or third count during the burial of Andrea Faye. And then, what it has effect on myself. Wait. Oh, it is four count, they say. I am on the third count. I not know why. I not know the reason. Flee. Flee, langaw. Hindi diri ato. It is being removed year 2022. The person on my right ear is from Cavite. Oh, this good person about it. But it says of the right eye, not. It is Alex Junior ko who removes it. No, no. Lex ko. So what it is about the flea? Year 2021. The right eye is on testing of what it is about, what it is effect of, such as I am goodness person, and then how bad it is, something such that. I feel scared. I feel scared. Bakit, ma? What to do? They is testing the flea if it is how bad it is, the effect. And that is so criminality doing. Ah, what to do? And then, it is on the right forehead, right eye. I feel dizzy at the moment. I not want to talk at the moment because it is heavy. For 8 minutes and 53 seconds at the moment. Ay, Mrs. Conia Talanya Magnaya, Jementisa Jr., also name as Mrs. Conia Talanya Magnaya, kasi the first talking.